Hi, we are going to have a look at another vulnerable hub system today for solving. It's actually called the DC1, one of the simplest systems like Mercury. So let's start with command ARP-scan-L to get to know the IP addresses. Okay. Yeah. P4 for quick one. Okay. Let's do a quick scan to see the open ports. SimScan T4 is to make it very fast. So we got 22801111, yeah. So in SC, SV, specific ports. So T4 to make it execute faster, and SC is for invoking the default scripts, and SV is the service or version scan. Okay, so together, okay, you can also use as a single combination, SCV. Okay, so it's going to give you the banner grabbing and what all the possible information that you can actually get. So port 22 is for secure shell open SH. This is the version 6.0. It doesn't seems to show much of the detail. 80, okay, so you've got Apache HTTPD 2.2.22. So robots.txt is actually allowed. This 36 disallowed entries, 15 shown. It works on Drupal 7. This is what the catch is. And 111, okay, is for RPC bind. Okay, let's try to find out if there are any vulnerabilities or exploits for Drupal 7 on MSF console. Yeah, okay. Search. And you're going to exploit. Okay, exploit multi HTTP Drupal GitHub. Okay, I'll say use 16. Do an info to see what exactly is this. This is for Drupal 7 to 7.31. What does it actually do? Drupal HTTP parameter key value SQL injection attack. And what is the version of Drupal that we actually saw? Okay, on the nmap, this was Drupal. So ideally that should work. So let's copy the target IP, Control L, shift, our host, the 7, show missing. No, everything has been set. Okay, do a run. Charted reverse TCP handler on 192.168. 1.8, that is my system on the port 4444. And sending the stage to 1.7, that's the target system. Let's wait for the meterpreter prompt. Done. Okay. So am I? Oh, unknown command. Let's do an shell. Okay. Who am I? Data. Okay. So do an PWD or www ls. I got something called the flag 1. Config file, and so do you. Okay. Our objective now is to escalate ourselves as a root. Okay. So let's try to do a privilege escalation. So find firm. Okay. Yes. Type F2. Luckily, we find the find command itself is actually vulnerable. Okay. Now, this vulnerable in the sense we can do a privilege escalation using the find command. Okay. Now, let's try to execute this find command, but we need to be on a bash. We need to be on a Python shell. Okay, we need to be on a bash shell for this. Let's open up. Okay, let's copy this, paste it here. Okay, who am I? Okay, data. Okay, find. Let's say etc pass. We need to give a file to execute this. Exec. Okay, you say who am I? Double quotes. Root. So we have now escalated our privilege as a root. Okay, so this is the end of this video. So this for my CSPD students. Keep subscribed to this channel for more videos on solving the vulnerable hub systems. We are going to get on to try hack me and hack the box as well. Cheers, bye.